Good afternoon. This is Harry came in front of you with another video after a long gap. I hope all are fine and we all are rising again into our life after COVID-19 second wave. Still, we need to take some precautionary measures to protect us from this pandemic as it is not complete. So still, we need to wear mask and follow social distance and etc. For the past few days, our nation is in full of happiness and excited due to our achievement in 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Though it was a little bit delayed due to the same pandemic for a year, so it was happening this year, that's 2021. And this time we had the highest number of medals tally, that is 7, for the first time ever, and I feel this could be a true inspiration for the future generation. So first, I would like to congratulate the players who won the medal for our nation and made our country so proud. So that is first gold medalist athlete Neeraj Chopra, weightlifter sister Mirabai Chanu, wrestlers Bajrang Punia and Ravi Kumar Dahiya, badminton player PV Sindhu, and boxer sister Lavlina Bogahain, and men's hockey team. So their men's hockey team is having such a highest achievement that for the, after 41 years they have achieved that medal. And badminton player PV Sindhu has achieved that for the first. She is one of the first Indian woman player to receive 2 medals in Olympics. And I hope in future we can achieve more and more medals. Maybe in 2024 Paris Olympics or 2028 Los Angeles or 2032 Brisbane Olympics. But still, some players like golf player Aditi Ashok and women's hockey team have tried their best but could not achieve any medal. No problem, sisters. You can achieve it in next time. But some people like boxer Mary Kom has been ill-treated in this Olympics because maybe some problems have happened regarding her by coaches, but still. So this must be avoided. This like errors, whatever the mistakes has been happened. But still, at last, I would like to sing a small song as a dedication for this for the players, and their winning is considered as such a great patriot among the nation. That is so. Okay, let me sing the song. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. So this song is a most familiar one. I know it may be the most familiar one for everyone. Everyone. This is from the movie Kesari, and so this song is the achievement in Olympic medals is considered to be patriotism for our nation. It is maybe a similar one. Okay. So next I will like to say some points. That is the main aim in this video. So what can we learn from them and how they achieved their goal? So I would like to share some of the few points about this. That is, this is a true. So already I mentioned that this is a true inspiration that their achievement in Olympics and then others. So first, let me share some of the things as about their family background and some etc. First, let me share some of the things about the family background of these Olympic players who achieved the medal. So, players of Northeast like Lavlina Bogahain and Mirabai Chanu. So these players belong to Assam and Manipur respectively. So their places, the natives are so much remote location, the native places. So from there also they have achieved. Means it is a greatest opportunity for the people those who live in that remote areas. Even the government of India has brought the fact fit India. That is the people who belong from the every nook and corner of India. So it is used to bring out the talents, the people who live in these places. So it is a very good decision made by the government. So I hope in future also the people who belong to even remote places can also achieve a lot. So next I would like to say something about discrimination among women players in the name of caste. So this is a very pathetic condition for a developing nation like India. So this time if we would like to say more than three medalists are women, they're female. Who won in Olympics. So even some people they have been discriminated in the name of caste. So earlier the India has a dream of women empowerment. So it is being achieved now, but still. So this must be avoided. So discrimination, particularly the women hockey players. So majority of them are belong to North India, like states like Haryana, Punjab, or Uttarakhand, Himachal, etc. So these people have been discriminated because of some lots of customs, traditions, everything. First of all, I would like to say that is the hockey player Vandana Kataria. So she has been ill-treated in the name of caste. So even recently also some people in the some maybe of some high caste people have came to nearby her house and discriminated a lot by saying the name of the caste. So this must be avoided. So this is not a good, not good for the developing country. So this must be avoided in future. This more not be there. So even though the women, though they are able to be dare enough to beat this whatever the odds and odds some odds in the name of caste or religion or whatever it is. So they are able to break it. So still in future we may hope that this may not be there any discrimination. So and next one is their harshest realities and their breakthrough as a success. Some players had their harshest reality. So now I have set an example of the hockey player. So like there's so many people, so women players have been discriminated. So one that is one side. Some people have been ill treated badly by their own coaches also sometimes. So even though they were able to bring a success, that is their willpower. So for each and every person's achievement, there must be a willpower in our own mind so that we can achieve. So without anybody's help. Next, so one I would like to say one this fact which has happened recently. So this is a case from Tamil Nadu. A player named Dhanalakshmi who is who participated in athlete this year Olympics. So she had been training in some abroad for her during her running the 400 meters, and unfortunately her sister something has expired due to some health issues. But even though their parents, so they hid the story. So this happens almost more than 2 months before, but they hid this fact. So because in the name that their parents were so much, they were in dream that at least my daughter should achieve in Olympics. So at last she won something fourth place she had got. But at last, when she came to India, that is yesterday, she had reached to the nation, our nation. So when she searched the sister, unfortunately, her mother told that your sister has died soon, died long back. This is also one of the harshest realities. Even though their parents have also tried it to not to show, so that so if it is has been explode outside means that they may get harm in their success. So they have tried. So then there's some of the harshest. So even the parents have also tried it to hit the harshest realities so that their children can achieve. So this also they have tried. So this has happened as a fact. So I can't say anything. So it's a very bad. Next one is their hard work and training. So many people have trained so many hours they haven't ate even food also properly. So they tried their best at last. As much as achievement is much of all only because of the encouragement from parents or parents, family members, and then other common people. So many of the Indian citizens, that's right from the honorable prime minister or president to the common people like us. So their encouragement along with their training and the sports coaches and so many people have their encouragement is the key. So encouragement is a key to success. Though that's what I would like to say. If you still learn about their background, it makes the young India to get inspired more and more. So why can't we achieve more and make our nation shine? Hard work, efforts, and knowledge make us to achieve. So this is most important. So our hard works, whatever hard works we are doing, so still we need to try more and more. And efforts, we should try. Without trying means it is a waste. Whatever we say, we're only saying in words that I can achieve, I can. That's not nothing. It's a useless one. But next is the knowledge. So knowledge also should be important. So why waiting? Come on, let it be any background other than sports. So we can achieve it in anywhere, no, not matter whether it's sports or anything. So other than sports, keep on trying your best to reach a success and make our nation's name proud. So I would like to say a quotation: "Arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached." This quotation is by Swami Vivekananda. Cheer for India and thank you.